the transportation at the back of the hat.
Oh, I just love the rhythm of the clickety-clack.
And I hear the whistle blow and see the smoke from the stack.
And pal around with Democratic fellas named Matt.
So take me right back to the track.
Do it again,
Choo-choo, choo-choo,
hold on tight.
choo-choo,
Choo-choo, take me right back to
Yeah,
the
no
track.
instruction whatsoever.
You reach your destination and alas and alack.
You need some compensation to get back in the black.
So take the morning paper from the top of the stack.
And read the situation from a front to back.
The only job that's open needs a man with a man.
So put it right back on the rack.
Choo-choo,
Come on.
choo-choo,
Take me right back on the track. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, the train is on the go.
Yeah, very good.
Well, riddle me this, riddle me that. That's where the train is at. Touchdown into Brooklyn and pick up Dan. As we take a little trip to the west coast of Seattle, where we going to wrestle and dazzle. Then we going to New Hampshire.
I'm gonna settle down by the railroad track.
I live the life of rally in a beaten out shack.
So when I hear the whistle, I can peek through the crack.
Come on. And watch your train rolling when it's all in the jam.
Oh, I just love the rhythm of the clickety-clack.
So take me right back to the track. Jack.
Choo-choo, choo-choo, choo-choo.